I'm looking at my green mile, trying to find the hawk. I can hear it over there. The sun is finally beaming through the woods. Kind of lost it. They're doing their territory mating. He went over here, or he. Oh well. Sometimes it gets so squawky loud here, it's unreal. Especially when 4 or 5 are fighting over one female. I guess I would get squawky too. Hello. Oh well, look at the beautiful woods. We had another dead tree go over. I think it's that one. My red-headed woodpeckers should be back and start making a nest. But I think it went down before they made a nest. I don't see the tree anymore, so this one was where my northern flickers are. I better get my butt working. Okay, distraction. I do want to come back around here though. This is a beautiful moss. Goodness. Let's see if the water went down. Let's see if it's still in there. In the wetlands we call it. Oh, I can't believe the sun's out. Yeah, there's still some water down there, but not like yesterday. Oh, there's a bird down there. What is it? Getting water, guys. It's got a red. Come on, man. Stay focused. I think it's a redhead bathing in the water, I think. There he is. See the redhead in the water, bathing in the mud puddle. Oh my God, hold still. Look at that, guys. That's the wetlands, and it's just taking a bath. Oh my goodness. Now that's a natural bath instead of the bird bath. Oh my goodness, this, I'm gonna try to move over. Sorry, guys. Got 2 things in the way. That's a natural mud path. I've never seen that in the natural. They come to our bird baths and do that. One we keep heated. Isn't that precious? Oh my goodness gracious. You're a beautiful male. Are you sprucing up for your female? Hello. I've never seen that in the wetlands there. Okay, it flew. Oh my goodness, guys, it's just been a day. See, that's just a water area. We call it the wetlands. Are you drying off now? The Jiminy is the tufted titmouse. It's just spring and sprung with the birds. I just love it. Well, we had some runoff because I can see a spillway opened up. Okay, guys, that was the One of my highlights of today. No wonder I'm not getting any work done. Yeah, the tree. Look, I was looking for the tree for my redhead. It should start building its nest. But I think the old tree where they were fell down. Might be that one that's turning, curving. Ooh, my red purple buds. They call them red buds, but hello, they're purple. Look, guys, I don't know if y'all can see that. They'd be beautiful. Let's see, I don't think we can see it this way, guys. I have to get a better picture. I marked them last year. That is the coolest thing, seeing that redbird take a bath. Okay, I promise I'm turning this off. Gotta get some work done. But you know what? When the sunshine comes out, and it hadn't been out for 6 days, it's got to come out. Uh-oh, we're back at it again. They're a little late, because normally they do this all February. But they do it February, March, and then a lot of things have their babies in April, May. Here you come, here you come. Looks like it's going to land. Nah, just getting me dizzy. Okay now. See my magnolia tree? It just pops out a little bit. And then it goes away. Okay, I'm walking the Green Mile. Now that's the northern flicker woodpecker. Something there. Guys, what is that? My little... Let me see what this bird is. That's a mouse. Where are you, baby? It just flew. Yeah, the northern flicker starts their nest first, and then my redheadeds come in. They almost make a nest in the same tree. Okay, let me turn this off. Get back to work.